Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have the perfect recipe for all the garlic bread lovers, and this garlic bread resembles and tastes just the same as the one that we get at Domino's. So let's get started. Into a bowl I'm adding 1/4 cup of warm milk, some sugar and 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. If you guys are looking for a no yeast recipe, then head over to my Instagram and you'll find the recipe over there. So I'm just mixing it lightly and I'm gonna let this rest for 5 minutes, and I'm gonna wait for the yeast to get activated. And as you can see in the video, the yeast is now activated after about 5 minutes. So to this I'm gonna add all the other ingredients. So I'm starting with herbs of choice. So I've used garlic bread herbs. You can use whatever you want. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of softened salted butter. I'm adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida. And I'm going to give this all a good mix using the spoon for about 10 seconds. And then I'm going to knead this into a nice soft dough. Make sure that you knead this dough for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of oil to make sure that the dough is nice and smooth. And as you can see, the dough is coming together very well. So I'm going to knead it for a final 2 to 3 minutes. So as you can see, the dough is nice and soft. So I'm just gonna tuck the dough into a ball shape, place it into my glass bowl, and I'm gonna cover this and let it rest for about 2 hours. And the main reason why we're gonna rest it is because we want the dough to expand. So while that's resting, we'll get started on the butter mixture. So I took some softened butter in a bowl and I'm adding about 4 cloves of chopped garlic. Again, I'm adding some chili flakes and some garlic bread herbs. And I'm gonna mix it all together very well and make sure that all the ingredients are well combined. So our dough is now ready, and I'm just going to stretch it and flatten the dough. It's okay if you don't get a round shape. So as you can see, I have a nice rough shape over here. I'm gonna apply the butter mixture generously onto this flattened dough. And then now you can get creative and add whatever you want. I'm just gonna add cheese and olives because that's what I had at home. You can go ahead and add corn, jalapenos, capsicum, onions, whatever you want. And I'm just gonna top it off with some more seasoning and some more cheese. You can use whatever cheese you want. I used mozzarella cheese. So I'm just gonna fold one side onto the other, and I'm gonna seal the edges, as you can see. And I'm gonna tuck the edges inwards as shown in the video. So this is just like a double lock system so that the ingredients inside don't come out. So I'm greasing my baking sheet with the same butter mixture that I had, and now I'm making tiny cuts onto this prepared garlic bread dough. And just make sure you don't cut all the way through, just on the top. And I'm gonna generously apply the butter mixture again. So you're gonna bake this at 180 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes, and you're gonna have this perfect crispy and doughy soft garlic bread that's going to remind you of the one that we eat at Domino's. It's a very simple and very tasty recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time. Till then, stay safe and enjoy. Bye guys.